Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to count directories. Sorry, not count directories. We're going to count folders in Windows directories. So without further ado, let's start it up. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to count folders in directories in Windows. So let's start off by creating the path. So I'm going to assign this to my desktop. It's going to be users mark desktop. os.chddir. So we're going to change directories into this path here. Okay. So we're going to create a function called count dirs, and we're going to print the message. I'm going to use an f string. Counting count folders. So I'll call it count folders. That's a lot better. Count folders. Okay, counting folders in this path here. So that tell the user that we're going to be counting folders in this path above. Okay, I'm going to import the time module here because import time. I'm going to give it a little bit of a pause. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go time dot sleep, and we're going to pause this for 1 second. Give it a little bit of a pause there. Now we're going to create a variable called result. I'm going to assign that to sum here, and then we're going to do os.path. Then we're going to do .is dir, so is directory. And then we're going to format this again. We're going to do scalar path / oops, oh, that's wrong. Should be outside there. And then we're going to do f. Outside of this, we're going to do the for loop. So we're going to loop through it for f in os dot list dir. So that'll list everything in that directory. Path. So everything in this path here. And we're going to print the results. So print results. In fact, I'm just going to format that string there. I'm going to do number of folders. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to format that there. Result. Right, all we have to do is call the program count folders. Okay. Save it, and we're going to count the folders in this path here. So let's run the program. Okay, so there we go. It's told us counting folders in this path here, so the number of folders that we found is 13. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you've enjoyed that, and remember, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.